In this video we will see how to draw the unit ball of a norm which has a max. In this case we are taking a is equal 1 and b is equal 0. Then I can immediately write that ball of center 0 0 and radius is equal 1 is a set of x y in R2 such that a norm of a is equal 1 and b is equal 0 of x y less than or equal 1. So that it is a set of x y in R2 such that the max between absolute value of y and absolute value of x plus y less than or equal 1. I have this time is a set of xy in R2 such that max between absolute value of y and the absolute value of x plus y less than or equal 1. That means absolute value of y less than or equal 1 and absolute value of x plus y less than or equal 1. So that absolute value of y less than or equal 1 gave us y between negative 1 and 1, and absolute value of x plus y less than or equal 1 gave us x plus y between negative 1 and 1. We will have y between negative 1 negative 1 and 1 and x between negative 1 negative y and 1 negative y. Then here I draw the line of y is equal negative 1 and y is equal 1. It is something like that. Y is equal 1 and is equal negative y is equal negative 1, like that. Y is equal 1 and y is equal negative 1. Now we will have to draw two lines of equation x is equal negative 1 negative y and x is equal 1 negative y. About equation x is equal negative 1 minus y, like look like this. And second equation x is equal 1 minus y, look like this. When I am going to color only intersection of the two parts. I had something like that. So just before finish, so I hope that you have understood these cases. If you have any question in this comment, and we will see you in a next video. See you soon.